Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, EveryStepPhysics.com. 25 years ago, or possibly more, the TI92 Plus calculator came out, which I still say is the best calculator TI made, and still use it today when I'm programming it. But anyways, it came out and we were forced to buy it in the calculus class, and they taught us how to do the integrals and the derivatives, and you could use the calculator during tests, and you had a nice stand that put up on your desk there like a small computer. And but if you just put the answer down to any problem, you got the problem wrong. You had to do the steps, and then I was able to figure out that you could actually program the calculator to do the steps, and I've been doing that since that time, and selling these programs, to help students with their tests and pass calculus, one of the most useless of all math concepts. Solves nothing useful, in my opinion, after 25 years. It's not possible, because everything has to be in a function. And look at the function. Look at this function here, x squared plus x. All the information, if you were to integrate it, is in that function. So you need to very, very small amount of information is in there, yet an integral is the area under a smooth curve. And if you graph that x squared plus x, it would be a parabola, some parabola. So anyways, the titanium calculator, TI89 Titanium, I had putting the actual letters of log in there and then I would take apart the whole function and solve the system step by step. Well, now I've redesigned it because it's tough to put the letters in the titanium. In the TI92 it has a keyboard, so you can do it easily, and that's actually when I designed this, was using that, but now I've changed it, because in the titanium you have to put second alpha, and then you can go to the second register, which allows you to keep putting letters in, which is underneath these number keys here. All the alphabet is in all these keys here. So anyways, now we're just going to enter the base, and you're going to enter the function. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this video right now, and I'll do a couple more maybe. I'm already down here. Notice you got a natural log problems, and you got log problems. Okay, scroll down with my menu. This is the main menu, and we're going to differentiate. Number 3, you can press the number or scroll to it. I'm pressing the numbers here, and of course regular log. We have log to base b differentiation. That's log of b to the function f of x. Okay, we're going to enter the b. You have to press alpha first, which is in this case 4, and the function is alpha x squared plus x. In my programs, I always love you, because you need to change it if you made a mistake, so I always let you see this and then check whether it's correct or not, which it is. So we're going to press OK, number 1, and I show you what you've entered again. Here's and then we're going to put the formula in here, which is the formula y prime, which is dy dx over dx is another way of using the derivative for the function. But notice y is pretty cool, because all these functions are graphable. Okay, and so on your calculator you don't have dy dx, you have y for the function. F of x is y in the calculator to be able to graph it. Okay, so we got the derivative y prime equals 1 over the natural log of b, base b, times u prime over u. Well, here's u, x squared plus x, and u prime is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so y prime is equal to 1 over the natural log of 4 times 2x plus 1 divided by, calculator factored this out, but it's the same thing as x squared plus x, okay? So anyways, go to my site, buy my programs, pass calculus. All this stuff is in your calculator. I can still do all this stuff. In my day, I programmed electronic stuff and physics. Of course, still have physics for you to buy. Extremely difficult class, but much more important than calculus. And it's always in your calculator, ready to go. I can solve any of these problems. I lost most of my electronic stuff for current and coils and electronics resistance and circuits and all that stuff, which I programmed to pass those classes. In a computer crash, I lost most of it, so. But I programmed everything, still program everything from it. Great, great program from MIT. So anyways, go to my site, buy my programs. They're only $40, and you're going to pass calculus or physics. So, but good luck in your classes. Have a good one.